How to create a new user account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, tap on the Apple menu on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Settings option from the menu that appears. Now, in the sidebar, scroll down and tap on the Users and Groups option. This is where all user accounts are managed. Now, tap on the lock icon at the bottom right. You will need to enter your Touch ID or enter your admin password to unlock changes. Once entered, tap on the Add Account button and then choose the type. You can choose Administrator for full control, you can choose Standard for regular users, and you can choose Guest for limited and no password access. Further, go ahead and fill in the user's full name, account name, and password, and then tap on the Create User option. And with this, you're good to go. And if you want to switch to new account, then to switch to new accounts, go to Apple menu and then tap on the log out button and then log in with the new account from the login screen. So this is how you can create a new user account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.